Hey everyone, welcome back to Discover and Learn. I have 10 plus years of experience in HR and I help professionals and students to improve their communication skills, their soft skills, business English, and overall personality development. And I'm here to help you out with all your communications problems and to help you speak English fluently and confidently and to master this skill. Are you ready for it? Well then stay tuned, stay connected and watch my entire video to know more. Well, today I'm going to continue with the speaking challenge. What I'm doing here is I'm focusing on practice sessions. For a week I'm going to take a topic or any simple topic in which I'm going to speak for 5 or 7 minutes, and what you can do is you can just speak with me, repeat after me, or shadow with me, or you can take my idea and topic and you can speak on your own, or you can take my topic, come up with your own ideas and you can speak on it. You can do anything and everything you like with just one video. So you have to watch my video, listen to it very carefully, and then you can start practicing in this way. And since speaking is very important, that is why I focused on practice session. I majorly focus on practice sessions, and I just thought of coming up with a 1 week challenge or 7 days challenge so that you can get 7 different topics to speak so that you can improve on your communication skills or your speaking skills or English speaking. So let's get started. But before that, if you haven't subscribed my channel, guys, quickly subscribe my channel, like and share my videos, do write your comments in the comment section, and don't forget to press the notification icon so that you get all my videos on time, free of cost, and access to all the amazing content on this channel. So today is a very simple topic which I'm going to talk about. I am going to talk about 3 things which I wish to do in my lifetime, or we also call it a bucket list. Everybody has a bucket list or a wish list, like, I wish I could, do this, I wish I could do that. So we all have this thought in our minds that if we get a magic wand, if somebody asks us like, what do you want, and we can just say that, we want to do this and that. So those are the things which we have in our mind. Whether we are able to do it or not, that is a different thing, but everybody has a wish list of doing something in their lifetime or achieving something in their life. So I also have a wish list or a bucket list or to-do list. So I'm going to share 3 things which I want to do in my lifetime. I aspire to, which doesn't mean that I can do it, but I will definitely try to do this. I'm sure you will also have some wish list or something in mind which you have thought about, like, you want to do this in your lifetime, once in your lifetime. So start thinking about it. Start coming up with 3 things which you want to do and start speaking with me. The first on my bucket list or first on my wish list is traveling. I want to travel the world. Of course, it is not possible for me to travel the world in this lifetime because, the world is so vast and it's not possible, right? But still, I want to do that. Maybe I can start with somewhere, 1 or 2 places I can start traveling, and then let's see how many places I can go, I can visit. So traveling is something which I love to do. I probably might not travel the world, but I can travel some places in India as well. And why I want to travel the world, the reason is very simple. I want to see what the other part of the world looks like. How are things there? I stay in India, I stay at this place, and I know in and out about this culture, tradition, food, and every language and everything else, right? So I don't know what people on the other side do, right? So I want to go and see how it looks like. What is the climate? How is the weather? How is the food, the culture, the language, the people, the thought process? So all these things I want to experience. And that is why I want to travel the world. I want to travel places. And I'm sure a lot of people want to do this. They want to travel and they want to see new destinations, new places, they want to explore places like me. And I think it's not impossible. At least we can start from somewhere. We can start visiting new places. We can just plan every year to visit a new place. So we can do that every year. We can just take out 15 days, 2 weeks or a week, 10 days or 2 weeks time to plan for a trip to different locations. yeah, we can make a budget, we can start planning beforehand so that it is convenient and within budget. So we can start doing this, we can start visiting new places. And you know what? This helps us to be more organized, be more empathetic. We get to learn a lot with our experiences, right? We are out of our comfort zone. We have to adjust with the food, the culture, and the tradition, and the languages, and the weather as well when we are at a new place. So we learn to adjust and to manage how to survive in those places. So this is one big lesson which we learn while we travel. Okay, and get to know the stories, the history of the place also helps us in understanding people better and connecting with people better. So these are the positive qualities which we can develop if we start traveling to new destinations or new places, right? And that is why I think this is a very important thing we should start doing. In this way, we'll become more empathetic towards others. So this is the first thing I would like to do. The second one is, I'm very fascinated about this village life. I want to go and stay for at least a week or 10 days and see how a village life is. Get a feel of the village life. Small houses, and you go and get vegetables from the farm, fresh vegetables, fresh fruits. You can just go and get from the farm. And of course, there are lots of challenges also there. The villagers grow their own, the farmers grow their own, or the villages grow their own vegetables and fruits and grains and everything. So I just want to eat those fresh food and want to breathe that fresh air, and I want to see how life is there in a village. So I'm very fascinated about this, and I really want to do this. I want to go and stay for some time in a village to understand what is the difference, and to just calm myself down, to de-stress myself, and just to refresh myself, right? I think village life is very different from city life. It's not that fast, it's very slow, it's very peaceful. So I do want to witness that. I want to see what challenges they face every day, and most importantly, how they stay so healthy. They walk long distances, they eat fresh food, they breathe fresh air, and the lots of things they practice. So I want to see what helps them in staying healthy and what is their mantra of staying healthy. I want to know the secret also. That is, I want to stay there and understand everything. What is their daily routine, what they do every day, how they survive there, how they're self-sufficient in everything. So I want to see that. So that is why I'm very fascinated about village life, and I do want to witness that village life for a week or 10 days. I want to go and stay in a village to get a feel of a village life. So that is another thing which I want to do in my lifetime. Third one is, it is very simple, a very simple wish, but still I want to do this in my lifetime. I want to witness snowfall. I know it's not difficult. You can go to Himachal or Kashmir to witness that, but it's just that, it has never happened to me just because of something or the other reason. So, but that is also one thing which is in my bucket list, and that is the first thing I'm going to fulfill. I'm going to witness a snowfall anywhere, whether in India or abroad, whichever place it is, but I want to witness this snowfall. I love that velvety snow, over the mountains, and I see those pictures. I'm very excited to see that, and I'm very happy looking at it. So I love snowfall. I don't love winters, but I don't know why I love snowfalls. I want to witness that, go there and see the, snow-covered mountains, and I want to do skiing and all those things. So I really want to be in the snow. I want to see the snowfall with my own eyes, and I want to be there. So that is something which I really love. I went to Missouri also, but when I came back after a while, snow started there. So when I went there also, there was no snowfall. It was very cold, but there was no snowfall. And I think when I came back after 2 or 3 days, it started snowing there. So I was quite, it was quite a bad luck for me. So I have never witnessed that. So that is one dream or one wish which I want to fulfill at the earliest. So I love snow-covered mountains, and I want to feel that snow with my hands, and I want to play in the snow. That is something which I want to do. I know it sounds quite childish, but I don't know why, but I love doing that. I really want to do that. So that is another thing which I want to thing which I want to do in my lifetime. These are three of my wishes which I want to fulfill in my lifetime. You can also start talking about your wish, what you want to do. You can start about one wish, two wish, three wish, five wishes, whatever you can talk about. You can just say what is your wish and why you want to do that. These are the two questions you have to answer. One is what is your wish, and second is why you want to do this, right? You just have to answer these two questions and you will be able to speak on this topic. Watch my video, pause it, repeat it, understand what I'm trying to say, how I'm saying, and you will get some help from it. You will get a format also, how you can talk about it, and it will be much easier for you to speak on it. So guys, that's it for today. I'll see you in my next session. Until then, keep learning, keep speaking, keep watching, and keep exploring. See you. Bye-bye and take care.